Welcome, my name is Sabina Albacher. This practical tip video is about furniture bats and how to handle them when loading and unloading the kiln. There's a matching set of furniture bats available for each kiln model. The size of the bats depends on the inside diameter of the kiln. The bat should have a minimum gap of 2 centimeters all around to the inner wall of the kiln and heating elements. The gap to the heating elements promotes the even distribution of heat during the firing, as heat radiation is guaranteed. It also makes it easier to insert and remove the bats without scraping the inside of the kiln wall with the back of your hand and damaging the milled edges of the heating element grooves. This is especially so if you wear protective gloves when clearing the kiln. ROHDE top loaders come with 3 or 6 square cordiorite bricks. Place these in a triangle on the kiln floor. Then on top of these, your first bat, the bottom shelf. The TES series is equipped with a heating element in the floor as standard. Please make sure that there's enough of a gap to this heating element when positioning the cordiorite bricks. It should be completely covered so that it can't be damaged by dripping glaze or other contaminants. Please note the position of the bricks and always place all subsequent supports in the same position, comparable to a column structure. We recommend placing the largest workpieces on the lowest layer. The gap to the bat above depends on the height of the wear. The supports should be at least 3 centimeters higher than the workpieces. Please also note this for the top layer and keep the recommended gap to the lid. Thank you very much for watching. We hope to see you again for the next ROHDE Practical Tip video. Enjoy your ceramic results.